The new year. A time to say goodbye to a few things, and also a time to say hello to a whole lot more. Make sure you never miss out on any of those new things to say hello to with the 2022 Excel calendar template. Nobody really wants to start this year off with a ton of spreadsheets if we're being totally honest. Luckily, this template only has one sheet, and it's the only sheet you need. In the Smart Calendar sheet, you have, you guessed it, a calendar. A cool feature of this template is that when you hover over the interactable aspects of the template, you get a guide that pops out that tells you how to use these tools. Over here we have the year and month. This template is really flexible because you can change out the year to your liking. Whether you want to skip ahead to 2023 or relive the good old days of 2019, the template automatically adjusts the dates for you. In the first day label, you can select what day you want to start your weeks with. On the top right, you can use the drop-down lists to choose which 2 days of the week are off days. The chosen days will be grayed out in the calendar. On top, we have a color legend. We can color code our entries in this calendar by critical, normal events, or tasks, and holidays. If we want to mark an entry as critical, we need to put an asterisk in front of it so the date shows red. For normal events, we just input values normally. And for holidays, we input a forward slash. You get the whole set from January to December, and on the top left, you have a full screen macro button that hides the ribbon for a larger work area, and a print selection button that allows you to print out the areas you highlight. As always, in the intro sheet, you get the standard items like the content, customization difficulty, explanation of the sheets, and instructions on how you can utilize this template. That's all for this template. If you want to find out more templates to make your life easier, head over to simplesheets.co for over 100 pre-built and smart templates. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.